Now, when it comes to our bodies, we're hearing buzzwords like contours, toned, well-shaped. Well, you're looking at something that can give you all of that. Dr. Jamie Menster is here to explain to us this procedure that we're watching, and all of those words are kind of things that we can achieve through this, right?
Yeah, you know, it's interesting, about 75% of women have a little spot on their body they wish would look better. This device is called VeloShape, and it's used to do two different things. It's used to tighten skin, reduce fat, and then improve the look of cellulite.
Okay, now I know we're working right now on the back of the thigh, which I know a lot of people would love to have a little work done on, but is there other parts of the body that we could use this on?
Yes, this is great for cellulite on the thighs, back of the thighs, side of the thighs, front of the thighs, even the middle thigh. It can be used on areas like the ankles. It can be used on the abdomen, the love handle areas, the arms, the bra fold, and even the submental area, that little waddle that happens underneath our chin.
The little waddle, what a way, that's what I would explain that as well. I've got all those areas that I want to work on. So kind of break down how this actually works. Now I see that it just seems like it's pretty quiet. We're seeing a very easy treatment, but what is it really doing in there?
So some people think that it feels a little bit like a massage, but the way it's working, it's using radio frequency and infrared, which both produce heat. By heating the tissues, we get shrinkage of the collagen, which tightens the skin. We also get a little melt of the layer of fat. And then the way it also helps with cellulite is that suctioning device then processes fluids, it eliminates those little puckers and dents and dimples, and you get about an 80% improvement with 3 treatments on cellulite, and then you see about a 2-inch reduction in the area when we're treating abdomen after 3 treatments. The cellulite treatment does require some maintenance with a repeat treatment about every 3 months to maintain the look.
Okay, and now how do I know if I'm the right person for this specific treatment?
So typically patients are within about 10 to 15 pounds of their ideal weight. There are people who are healthy, that exercise, that follow a pretty low-fat diet, and that have a trouble spot.
Okay, which, like we said, we all have that one spot we could use a little bit of help on. So how is it after I have the treatment? You said about 3 treatments. When will I actually start to see a difference?
So with the cellulite treatment, you can even see a difference before you leave the office.
Oh,
and
wow.
Everything looking smoother. It's a great thing to do before a holiday, a vacation, a wedding. And then we also do see people who are doing fitness shows and fitness competitions to just kind of streamline everything. For the fat reduction and the skin tightening, it takes about 2 weeks to start to see results, but 4 weeks after your last treatment to see the full effect.
I love that you said I could see a result before I even leave. I love that. I love that instant gratification. And so now we're checking them all off. Yep, I'm that right person. I'm the right candidate. What's the first thing we do? Do we call and we come in for maybe for a consultation?
Yeah, so you call the office, set up an appointment. You'll get an evaluation to see if you're a good candidate. We'll get you pricing. We'll talk about the time the treatment takes. It's about 20 minutes per area. And for instance, if you wanted to do full thighs for both legs, that's about a 2-hour worth of treatment. But you can listen to headphones, you can watch a movie, you can take a nap during the treatment.
And then you can have wonderful Angela here that does it for you. You have someone very nice to help you. Now, can we do, like you were saying, if we want to do full thigh and then we want to do an arm, are these all separate visits when we come to do them?
You can do them all at once or you can separate them out. Some of it depends on how long you're comfortable laying on the table. So.
Okay, and now the big question, you know, everyone's wondering because it sounds, you know, too good to be true. We're going to see results right away. It's really fast. How much does this really cost?
So this treatment is about $200 per area, and again, that's per session. So if you were going to, for instance, say do a small abdomen, it would be $600 for your 3 treatments, and then $200 at each additional visit for the 3-month follow-up.
I think that's very reasonable. We're not having to go underneath the knife, which a lot of people are looking towards today, is more of the non-surgical, low-invasive techniques to get rid of things.
Yeah, and it's great. You can go to the gym, you can exercise. You can sometimes get a little bit of redness. I kind of tease that it looks a little bit like a hickey because the device does have some suction. And so if you're sensitive skin or very fair skin, sometimes you can get a little bit of redness to the area. But again, you can cover it with makeup. You can, you know, put your pants or your top back on and it'll be hidden.
Well, you're a very respected doctor here in Tucson, and of course everybody comes to you with a lot of questions, so I'm sure you're seeing a lot more patients come in that are asking for treatments like this, something that I can get in and out, I can see the results, but again, I don't have to go underneath the knife, so I'm sure this is something you're seeing kind of pick up in popularity.
It's definitely popular. It's popular for people who are busy, who don't have time for recovery, who can't miss work or can't miss family life, and so it's a really nice treatment, and it's pretty versatile that it can be used on a lot of areas of the body.
And just speaking as a woman, I know no matter how much I work out or how much much I diet, I feel like there's always that one little spot that you feel like you can't quite get, and that's the ideal thing that you want to use this for.
And that's really it. It's kind of to get that little edge on that trouble area, just to help kind of do the things that your diet and exercise aren't doing. And it is nice to see results, and that actually usually encourages you to maintain that diet and exercise once you finally see a result in your trouble area.
Look, you're going to a class reunion, come get this done. You're gonna blow everybody away at your class reunion. They're gonna be like, she looks fabulous.
Yeah.
And so we wanna come definitely get a consultation, see if we're the right candidate for this, and then just start the procedure. So Jamie, thank you so much for letting us come out and see this firsthand on how easy this is. And it's just really painless and something the patient is absolutely, you know, happy with already.
Yeah, it's a great treatment, and it's really something that can be used on a lot of different patients.
I love this. Thank you again, doctor.
Thank you.